guys, as you can hear, all around in my neighborhood and everywhere, what we're doing is what is called locally Riamujwe, literally translated as chasing away the ghost. So you make anything that can make a loud noise while calling them to run away. So when I'm saying kara kara kara, meaning go away, go away. So here we continue. So the thing is, in Acholi Olu culture, whenever a big disease or a bigger calamity is expected to fall or befall, it is vital to do this kind of practice. For example, measles, even coronavirus, we chase it away using this thing, and it works. If you can hear just a moment of silence, everywhere people are knocking, is to chase it away. So you keep on banging this thing until everyone else has stopped banging, then you also stop. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you for knowing this culture. So I'm going to continue banging this as you watch. Bye bye.
Chole cheda anga mo be fonyogi kapelo leba chole cheda anga mo be logo che orete on me log leba chole orete ijo log leba chole orete Kakwa log leba chole orete kalo log leba chole mer leba chole ku